अरे आपको कैसे नहीं मिलेंगे, आप तो स्पेशल दोस्त है हमारी.
She switches like that. Like, you know, she would, her body language, voice, she's just become Rani Bharti suddenly. हमने कहा हुमा कहाँ गई?
और I'm just like, सर जैसे ही आपका चेक मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में आता है
I remember this.
उसके जीरो देखते ही हंसना रोना गाना सब बहुत प्यार से निकलता है, कोई दुविधा नहीं होती हमको.
ये जो अब जो खुलासा है मैं करने वाली हूँ.
अगला सीजन भी करना है ना तुमको.
Oh no! I usually take about 10 days to open up to people.
10 hours भी नहीं लगे
10 hours.
कुछ ज्यादा ही फ्रेंडशिप थोड़ी जल्दी नहीं हो गई. One of the most difficult things to do and I think she does that beautifully.
Thank you, Huma. Thank you so
ऐसे दे
much.
दे. Hey, don't copy my answer. Give new answer.
You said breathe.
Give better answer ना.
I did. It is a better answer.
No, it's not.
I don't even need to breathe.
Ambition makes women intimidating.
True.
Not true. I look at old pictures and I'm like, I thought I would look nice. Like, what is wrong with
I
me?
look nice throughout my life, but I have looked good all my life. I don't know about you.
नार्सिज्म की देवी से आप मिलना चाहेंगे?
इसको तो आर्काइव रखना पड़ेगा कि ये पॉप ना हो जाए किसी के सामने.
Forget about content. अभी नाम ही नहीं बता सकते.
थोड़ा inappropriate है, थोड़ा censored है. ये family show है. I hated my teens. Okay, my skin was horrible. I looked horrible. I felt horrible. I was so emotional and jumpy and hormonal and not knowing what the hell was happening. I feel so bad for I meet like I met a young actor the other day and she's just 19 and I'm like. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for you. And you're economically independent. It's a freaking superpower. Like I kid you not. मौका दो तो एकदम ही scientist बन जाती है ये. I have to keep holding her. Sorry, I'm just pulling her leg. I love pulling her leg. No. बहुत important बात है. हाँ तो then your body. Puberty पे क्या होता है? Tell me about your puberty journey.
I'll tell you later.
Sorry. Shweta is the best. She's the best.
I love this.
Never date your girlfriend's guy.
Oh yeah. Never date any. If you know somebody committed, I think please just stay the F away.
Yeah.
Being emotional means being weak, not true.
Not true.
I think emotional, being vulnerable is actually strength.
You were the OG
shy now.
Womania and the recipient of the first ever Super Womania Award.
That is true. Thank you.
Amazing. The message for everyone for the Super Womania Award.
I just think it's a great initiative. Stuti, you guys are doing an amazing job. Super Womania Awards, I think they commemorate.
Super Womania Stuti.
Hi Huma and hi Shweta Basu Prasad.
Hi!
देखिए बहुत बिजी हैं आप लोग, पर खुशी हुई कि आए हैं हमारे स्टूडियो.
अरे आपको कैसे नहीं मिलेंगे, आप तो स्पेशल दोस्त है हमारी.
देखिए हम आपके ट्रेलर में इसको देखकर और जो पहले 2 एपिसोड्स हमें मिले हैं
जी,
उसमें ये लहजा सुनकर
जी
हमको बहुत ही
आनंद
बढ़िया
आया.
लगा. हमें लगा इंटरव्यू भी इसी लहजे के साथ अगर
क्या
हो.
बात, बहुत बढ़िया.
देखिए माँ है, बिटिया है
जी,
कैसे चल रहा है महारानी.
दादी माँ भी है हमारी यहाँ पे, मेन दादी. बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है.
Huma, during the course of the shoot, did you only speak like that?
Not at all. I am not one of those method actors. I try and keep the shooting process as painless for myself
and for
for
those
other
around
people
you.
Around. My process is my problem, not anyone else's responsibility, which I try to do in my inner world.
She switches like that. Like, you know, she would, her body language, voice, she's just become Rani Bharti suddenly. हमने कहा हुमा कहाँ गई? Her shoulders have gone.
So when it's action, it's
Before action, like, you know, I think she's one of those actors who just switches.
वो 2-3 मिनट दे दो silence and just like whatever and I'm okay.
And you
Like, I
can
don't
tell
need-
that she's gone into a zone now. Huma is in her zone now.
Yeah. Like I remember we were shooting a very important sequence which is in a ghat. I can't tell you, but a very important character dies in this season. We cannot tell you who, but anyway. So this big like funeral pyre, everyone's crying, और हम रो रहे हैं, धाड़े मार के कट होते हैं, आते हैं हम लोग सब मॉनिटर के पीछे. तो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर नरेन बोलते हैं कि यार, और हम लोग सडनली हम लाइक
हम सेल्फियां ले रहे हैं. Wow, what a sunset.
So Naren is like, how do you do this? So, like, and he's obviously giving me a compliment, trying to be like, oh, amazing, whatever. And I'm just like, sir, जैसे ही आपका चेक मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में आता है
I remember this.
उसके जीरो देखते ही हंसना रोना गाना सब बहुत प्यार से निकलता है, कोई दुविधा नहीं होती हमको।
टॉकिंग अबाउट जीरोस, अब तो बड़े जीरोस लग रहे हैं।
नहीं,
This
नहीं,
is-
इतने
अब
नहीं,
तो ये
मैम।
आपकी किंगडम हो गई है महारानी सीजन 4।
No,
Queendom.
it's a great, let's call it a annual pension plan. No, I'm not complaining. I think none of us are complaining.
Not at all.
It's a great show. It gets so much love, and I
Yeah.
think each year the quality of the show, the writing, the performances, just improves. And with this, with Shweta, with Shardul, with Vipinji, with Manu, Sara Hashmi, all these new actors coming in this new season, I have just like sort of given this new sort of energy to the show. I think it's become cooler. I think it's almost like a new show, you know.
You know, so इस न्यू एंट्रेंट की बात
ये बताएं,
करेंगे।
new entry, और
रैगिंग हुई थी क्योंकि ये तो रेजिडेंट रानी महारानी।
मैं जो बताने
ये तुमने
वाली
जो गलत
हूँ,
सवाल पूछ लिया, ये 3 घंटे चलेगा तुम्हारा ये पॉडकास्ट।
ये जो अब मैं बता, अब जो खुलासा है मैं करने
करिए,
वाली
करिए।
हूँ। नहीं, I
अगला
think
सीजन भी करना है ना तुमको।
that- Oh no!
धमकी ऑन कैमरा।
ये तो ऑन कैमरा ही हो चुका है, तो बिहाइंड द सीन्स क्या हुआ है हमें नहीं पता।
नहीं, I think
नहीं, बोल दे।
सच बोलूं?
हाँ।
नहीं, I think एक nervous energy as an actor you always have when you're starting a new show, and especially even with Criminal Justice, you know, I joined on 3rd season and here it's 4th season. So you're always, as an actor, obviously your first thing is not कि set पे जाके दोस्त बनाएंगे या मजे करेंगे. I am usually a very in and out actor. If there is fun, I participate. If friendship happens, great. Otherwise, I'm a very in and out actor. So, and usually I go in with this thing because I'm very focused on what I have to do, and
Correct.
you know, of course, considering everyone else and the project itself. And I have been a huge fan of Maharani as a show. And when Subhashji said that, you know, I thought of casting you as Roshni from season 1. कि जब भी इसका leap होगा, we'll approach you. That was such a huge compliment. At the same time, you're like, oh my God, I have to really deliver because this man has this confidence in me. But also his confidence gave me the courage to perform and become Roshni as well. And other than that, I think, you know, jo, and I keep saying this in all my interviews, and I've said it to Subhashji and Huma also, especially to the two of them, that, you know, there's a certain township that Kangra Talkies and Maharani set has. It's almost like you're a new resident and you just completely settled in. Because, you know, it takes you I usually take about 10 days to open up to people.
10 hours भी नहीं लगे इसको।
10 hours.
कुछ ज्यादा ही फ्रेंडशिप थोड़ी जल्दी नहीं हो गई है।
But Huma was so welcoming. Everyone on set was so welcoming, and it didn't take me much time.
It's you, it's not us, it's you. No, really.
Oh my God,
No,
guys.
I really mean it. I feel like, you know, एक तो Shweta is a wonderful actor.
Yeah.
Okay, वो तो हम सबको ही पता है. I think from the time she was, I think, a child actor, she's really blown away all of us with her performances. But what is lovely about her even now is that she manages to, you know, carry that sense of innocence and wonder, which I find two of the most hardest, like, expressions to do. Like, I feel आप ना मतलब, and she's very well traveled, she's well read, or you know, she has so many interests. But उसके बाद भी जब आप कोई scene करते हो ना, तो अगर आपके आँखों में वो sense of wonder और sense of एक naivety or innocence नहीं, अगर आप वो कर सकते हो, तो I think that I find one of the most difficult things to do, and I think she does that beautifully.
Thank you, Huma. Thank you so
पैसे दे
much.
दे.
Isn't women supporting women? Women
For money.
appreciating women, whether for money or otherwise, is like my favorite bit. Can I just let you in कि हम इस तरफ तो बड़ी हमने interviews करे हैं, बड़े stars, जरा genuine लग रहा है, genuine admiration.
नहीं, हमारा WhatsApp ग्रुप है भाई, कनी, हुमा और मेरा, जिसमें बहुत
What's it
इंटरेस्टिंग
called?
बातें करते हैं. बताओ तुम, you started. नहीं ना,
नाम भी नहीं बता
नहीं
सकते.
नहीं, ये
बहुत
तो-
inappropriate है क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा inappropriate
I
है.
expect nothing less.
Of course, listen, I am a champion for inappropriate girls. ये टोली है मेरी. सिर्फ बदमाश
The day I saw the WhatsApp group, I'm like, oh shit. इसको तो आर्काइव रखना पड़ेगा कि ये पॉप ना हो जाए किसी के सामने.
Forget about content, अभी नाम ही नहीं बता सकते.
थोड़ा inappropriate है, थोड़ा censored है.
काफी.
ये family show है.
नहीं, which is why they are two of my favorite people to interview. How many actors or you know, other women come to you and said, dude, I love how you've
I've been saying that the day I met her, and in the couple of interviews also, that this is so inspiring. Because you know the kind of roles she's taken up, and over the years, and it's like it's hitting it out of the park, right? And with taking up something like Maharani, because we are not very मतलब age
Far
ज़्यादा
apart.
far apart नहीं है, you know. So I mean Saqib has been my hero, comedy couple. So
Very incestuous. This sounds now suddenly the moment you
Saqib
said
Mama. Saqib Mama.
it. Yuck.
I was telling you,
Yeah.
mother, I'm like, आप तो नानी हुई तो she's like, अब साकिब क्या है? साकिब मामा हो जाएगा. साकिब is going to kill me.
बेचारा.
He's going to kill
Yeah,
me. He's
Saku
gonna block
Mamu.
me.
Saku Mamu.
So, but it's amazing because you know you're paving
Yeah.
the path for actors like me and so many others who are for years. I know so many female actors. In fact, somebody I met earlier this year who was like, she does not live in Bombay, and she was like, you know, but I'm way past 25. I said, hello. She's like, हाँ, but अब मैं कुछ सालों में तो 30. I said, हाँ, तो it does not matter. And I think actors like Huma and so many other actors who are really taking up challenging roles, defying age, and you know, doing good roles, good characters, and telling the right story are really setting that example. So I think that's amazing.
But you know, I have a reason for it. Okay, and I'm sure you've experienced it. I thought my teens and my 20s were a mess. I feel like not enough women talk about it.
Don't want to go back to
They
that.
wanna, yeah.
Don't want to make those mistakes
I
again.
hated my teens. Okay, my skin was horrible. I looked horrible. I felt horrible. I was so emotional and jumpy and hormonal and not knowing what the hell was happening.
Yeah.
My 20s again was very, very like, I was very insecure. I was not sure of who I was. I was not sure who I wanted to be. I didn't know if I wanted to fit in or stand out. You know, all these things. And I feel like my 30s are amazing.
absolutely. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Like, and I feel
like the
like
best
growing.
season.
Yeah, I feel like growing older is like a superpower. And
Nobody's telling you it's getting better.
Oh
It
my
just
God.
keeps getting better.
So I feel so bad for I meet like I met a young actor the other day and she's just 19 and I'm like I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for you. Like and she was like, I'm like, no one's died. I'm like, I know you have no idea. Like I'm sorry,
Yeah.
but like
these
come
are
over to the
things
other side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
And
you
nobody's
feel-
going to teach you these things. I think these are things that, you know,
I
your
feel
first
in
experience.
popular media we don't talk about it enough.
Yeah.
We make it sound as if women are supposed to be a fruit that if
Yeah.
you age
Yeah.
or whatever, you will become basi or you'll go rotten.
rotten,
Okay.
Excuse me. If you're above 25 and and in your 30s, 40s, whatever, 50s, and you're economically independent, it's a freaking superpower. Like I kid you not, I can
It's
pick up
called
my bag
highlight karke
today.
underline karenge.
I can pick up
Yeah,
my bag
yeah,
today and I
yeah,
can go anywhere in the world. I can do what I want. I feel like a superhero, and no one tells you that. They make you feel like ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा ऐसा करना चाहिए किसने बोला है भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है और जितना जल्दी आप इस मिथ से इस पॉपुलर अर्बन लेजेंड से बाहर आ जाओगे बहुत अच्छा है.
But you know, it's also the way we are growing up now. It's something that only a personal journey से ही आता है. Because when I was in my teens and in my 20s, I used to look at these women, and because I've grown up a lot around the industry and you know people, and I used to be like, they are so cool. These women in their 30s, and you know these line producers and EPs that I used to just observe, and you realize that that's a journey जो personally आप लेते हैं because teenage में तो you know your bodies are changing, you're discovering new things about yourself.
तुम डॉक्टर क्यों बन गई हो मतलब बॉडी चेंजिंग और मतलब एग फ्रीजिंग मतलब क्या हो क्या रहा है I told you keep it light.
She's so mean.
We get this.
See, we are on fever. So we have to talk about.
मौका दो तो एकदम ही साइंटिस्ट बन जाती है ये. I have to keep holding a sorry. I'm just pulling a leg. I love pulling a leg. No. बहुत important बात है. हाँ तो then your body
But it's a
puberty पे क्या होता है? Tell me about your puberty journey.
I'll tell you later. I'll text about it on the group. She's so mean, yeah.
I love this. I want to join the WhatsApp group, please.
Oh no.
You
Is this what happens there?
Oh no.
This is very PG-13.
This is PG-13.
No, but you know, when you're growing up, you really are just still dealing with changes, right?
मानेगी
And
नहीं, बोल के
dating, of course, because it is a fact.
Yeah.
In your late teens and your early 20s, you're still dealing with heartbreaks and insecurities. It's exactly what you spoke about some time ago. And
I thought you
your
were still
body-
dealing with heartaches and insecurity.
So that's what we talk about on the group. Kani, I miss you, Kani. And I can't even expose her. I can't even talk about the selfies. She
Okay, sorry. Sorry. याद आ गया. Sorry.
हल्की सी धमकी.
Sorry. Shweta is the best. She is the best.
I love this. बहुत ही प्यार से. Such flex कि अभी मैंने मुंह खोला.
phone लाना जरा.
Next question.
Please, let's move on from this.
I think we overplayed this one a little bit. Okay, sorry. My bad. My bad.
But I think 30s are really cool.
And I'm so glad you people are saying this because nobody can deny this. कि popular culture में we don't talk about this enough.
No.
And women actually are made to feel scared कि पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा for this decade and after that this. And I want to apologize to all those who, when I was in my 20s, thought कि 30 life is over. Like
We all
we
thought
all have
that,
been
no?
कि 30
We
में
all
तो
thought 30
जिंदगी
Because I
बर्बाद
feel
है.
women are not talking about it enough, and I feel like we just have to, and we have to just normalize it. Like I feel, I look better than I did in my 20s. I look at old pictures and I'm like,
too.
I thought I would look nice. Like, what was wrong
But
with
I
me?
look
Like,
nice throughout my life. But I have looked good all my life. I don't know about you.
नार्सिज्म की देवी से आप मिलना चाहेंगे? वैनिटी
I
की
don't know
देवी.
about you, but I have looked good all my life.
Not me.
मैं तो बहुत सुंदर थी.
30s are emotionally, financially more independent, but
सुंदर मैं बचपन से थी.
please.
मकड़ी में कितनी क्यूट थी मैं.
बहुत.
मैं तो गुड़गप्पा थी बचपन में, गोलू बच्चा.
तो फिर I can imagine ये जो माँ बेटी जो ऑन स्क्रीन आप बनी है, ये कैसे, कोई वर्कशॉप्स हुए थे आपके जहाँ आपको बोला गया कि हंसी रोक के रखिएगा? in
Yeah,
life?
we did
Yeah, it's called a workshop called Subhash Kapoor.
We don't do workshops. We don't call them workshops. We do readings, very extensive readings where the entire cast, crew, everyone gets together. We're in a room and we just read. And then sometimes also some changes happen. Like everyone will hear something and say, okay, this doesn't work or that works or this could be said whatever. And I think that's a great exercise because it just helps you understand and hear also other actors and just hear the dunya, which is really important.
And it's really interesting, I've been wanting to actually bring this up on somewhere. I'm so glad you mentioned about the reading. On all projects, when we are reading, we are constantly thinking, audience को कैसा लगेगा? ये अगर इस तरीके से बोलेंगे या वो, and we are constantly discussing psychology, we are discussing interpersonal relationships, relationship dynamics, and it's amazing how much we consider the audience when we are reading. It's not just actors and technicians get together and we're reading and doing our part. It's also like अरे but ये बोलेंगे तो इसका मतलब ये हो जाएगा, and then we change and things. So it's always audience first when we are reading, and I find that so beautiful, that entire process.
Amazing. Okay, we want to play a Superwomania rapid fire here.
Gift
Fire तो
gift.
fire की guarantee है और well wishes आपको, good wishes and आशीर्वाद is नहीं चाहिए. Zeros in the check.
Always.
Okay. Who's your go-to woman for advice, whether work or life?
My girlfriends. But I have to name one person.
Yeah.
Okay. Patra.
Okay.
Mom.
Who's the one woman you'd love to be stuck in an elevator with apart from each other, please? And Kani also.
But for what purpose?
What?
Elevator can be used for multiple things. For what purpose?
Any purpose. Now put purpose to that meeting only.
I'm out of this game too.
I would like to be stuck in an elevator with Reese Witherspoon. So we can discuss how she started her company and how it became like $1 billion enterprise.
इसी के साथ एक beauty pageant का जवाब हाजिर.
अरे मुझे बनाने $1 billion है तो मेरा लालच नहीं समझ रहे हो कि अब मिल जाएगी तो कैसे किया, फिर बताओ सीए से क्या बात हुई, कितना फंडिंग आया, जीएसटी दिया उसमें कि नहीं?
GST वो क्यों देगी?
वो जो
It's a joke, guys. It's a joke. वो आ रही है यहाँ पे मेरे साथ एलिवेटर में यहाँ पे फंसने.
GST तो देगी देगी.
यहाँ क्यों फंस रहे हो? मेरे का जाके फंसो.
ओहो अच्छा ठीक है. We'll let the detail.
One person I'd like to be stuck with would be, I think, Kareena Kapoor. I love her. I just love her. I just want to
Fab.
stand and stare.
Fab.
I hope it's a long elevator ride.
Okay.
Sorry, it's not safe. Yeah, it's a good idea.
Okay. The one quality in women you think that deserves more appreciation.
How beautiful they are. I don't think.
इतने शायर, इतनी कविताएं, मतलब.
No, women complimenting other women. I think that is something we need to do more of.
Yeah.
Just repeat the question. What do we don't talk about enough?
Enough,
or
yeah,
what,
yeah.
what we don't discuss enough for women?
Yeah.
I think the fact that women can actually do anything. I think women
Yeah,
are
yeah.
equally
Really.
capable of
Yeah.
doing anything.
You need work done, give it to a woman.
Yeah,
and
100%.
then-
Yeah.
Or 20 men.
Yeah. No, I think
agree.
men
Yeah.
do great job as well because it's not men, women at all. It's an individual capacity. I know men who are really bad at work and women really good at work, and I've seen really bad female drivers and really good male drivers. So it really boils down to individuals. I think we remove gender and just treat people as individuals would be great.
The one thing women should stop apologizing for.
Everything. I think women are
Yeah,
like
we're done.
serial
About-
apologists. I
yeah.
think I'm sorry about everything. I think we should just stop doing that. It's okay.
Women need to stop saying sorry. Stop saying sorry for your education.
Yeah.
Stop saying sorry for choosing your life partner. Stop
For
saying
speaking
sorry
up.
for speaking up, for your clothing, for your work, for your salaries, for asking for the money you deserve. Just say it.
Lovely.
Lovely.
If you could redefine feminine energy in one word, what would it be?
I could redefine. Doesn't need to be redefined. I think feminine energy, in fact, the only thing I'd want for feminine energy is to be more of it in the world. I feel a lot
This
of
world would be a
would
more
need
beautiful, peaceful,
a calmer,
place.
more peaceful, more tranquil, more empathetic
Yeah,
place. I
yeah,
feel feminine energy I consider very healing.
Yeah.
And that can be in a man as
Nurturing,
well.
yeah.
And nurturing. And I think we need more of that nurturing, healing energy around us.
I think feminine energy, I think for me, whenever I think of feminine energy, I always think of Goddess Kali. You know, she's a warrior.
Yeah.
And I love it that in India we celebrate women as Lakshmi, the prosperity, the goddess of prosperity, Saraswati, the the goddess of knowledge, Durga and Kali, the goddess
Fierce,
of warriors.
Yes.
They're warriors, and that's so amazing.
Yeah.
I think we need to keep
Yeah.
reminding that, hey, this is what it is.
How beautiful.
man.
Amazing. Okay. The one question, as women, you're tired of being asked.
I am tired of being asked.
As a woman or a female actor, whatever, that you think is only
Nothing
directed to you
actually.
because of your gender.
Nothing really. Ask and answer.
Well, I'm tired of being asked. Oh yeah, actually आप लोग ही पूछते हो कि what do you think about pay parity or what do you think? I'm like, you're asking the wrong person. Or you think about ageism. Like, I used to ask the guys these questions. na? I feel like yeah.
Okay, the one girl code you'll never want to break.
Never date your girlfriend's guy.
Oh yeah. Never date
Any.
If you know somebody
Committed.
I think please just stay the
Yeah.
F away.
Yeah.
I think, if you tell one man that, hey, you're not doing this, it makes a huge difference. Please, sister code, like do not. Yeah.
The most Maharani thing that you've ever done in your life, or you do, a Maharani habit that you
Breathe.
have.
महारानी मेरे रोम में है वैसे वाला.
I exist.
Hey, don't copy my answer. Give new answer.
You said breathe.
Give better answer, na?
I did. It is a better answer.
No, it's not better.
I don't
Just
even need to
try. Try.
I exist.
You're a potato.
breathes,
You exist.
one exists.
I don't breathe. You're a potato.
Yeah.
Aloo.
Boiled.
Shweta Aloo.
Yeah. Boiled.
I should make fun of your name, no? That's
Yeah,
wrong.
that's
I
wrong.
should have done that. Are you hurt? No. You wanna cry?
No.
So tissue paper though.
Bilkul nahi. I'll reply to you on the group.
I can imagine what's happening on set. I don't understand this.
You must.
What do you understand? It's called maskhari. There's another word I had in mind. I can't say it on camera, but it's called maskhari.
The last time you said to yourself, I'm proud of you. Oh, well done.
For starting this day very early for promotions.
आज ही बोला इन्होंने हाँ
I just started my clothing brand that I've been working on for a year and a half, and I've invested my own money. It's called C Sharp, and it's launched just last week. So I'm very, very happy.
super. Okay, what's your go-to line when someone underestimates you?
I don't say anything. I call out that behavior.
Just like how I called out Huma right now.
Yeah. I call out that behavior saying, hey, I see what you're doing. I feel like that itself
Yeah.
has been such a game changer. It actually happened very recently. Someone behaved badly. So normally, I would get upset or scream back or say something inappropriate. But I said, hey, you did that and that wasn't cool. And I see it. And that was, and then
that's
I
a
walk
Maharani
away.
thing to
And
do,
then I walk away because I'm like, just because sometimes what happens is we see someone's bad behavior or hear and we just either get angry or upset and start fighting, or we just walk away. And both are not correct, I feel, because you walk away, that person will never know how that impacted
Yeah.
you or that you noticed it. So I want them to know I noticed it.
yeah.
But I'm choosing to not respond in an aggressive manner.
No interview is complete without chits.
Chits.
Okay,
Cheating
it's
se
called Thrown or Throw It Away. Okay,
Wow.
Thrown is when you approve of it, and throw it away is you reject it. Just pick up
So I have
one.
to just pick up and
trick.
what I have to.
Just read it aloud.
Ambition makes women intimidating.
True.
Not true.
अभी तो बड़ा डर लग रहा है आपसे.
मैं aggressive नहीं हूँ ना, मैं तो प्यार से कर रही हूँ.
Oh, not true.
Not
Yeah.
true.
Women have to work twice as hard.
Twice
women
as hard as men.
Women have to work twice as hard to be taken seriously. That is true.
That is true. So you have to eat it now. No. No, I'm just asking what you have to do. Okay. Women telling women's stories is how revolution starts. Absolutely. 100%.
Okay. Pay gap between male and female actors. Not true.
No pay
I,
gap?
I mean, personally, I don't know. I've been paid more than male actors. I know that.
Depends on the set.
Yeah.
You can't be friends with your competitors. Of course you can be friends. In fact, it's a healthy competition.
Beauty standards in the industry. It's true, unfortunately.
Every woman has little queen energy in her. Little queen energy? Not true. Big queen energy.
I like it.
Nice. Being emotional means being weak. Not true.
Not true.
I think emotional, being vulnerable is actually strength. I think people who can't say sorry, can't say thank you, can't communicate are really weak.
Change begins when one woman dares to speak. Absolutely.
Flaws make characters powerful. Depends what flaws, but yes, true.
Amazing. Okay, before we let them go, I want you to see
Strong
this.
women characters
And tell me कुछ
on
याद आया या
screen
नहीं?
with finesse. It's everyone's favorite, Huma Qureshi.
Oh, you look so gorgeous.
This is just this time last year.
Lizzie, thank you so much for organizing this, for doing this. This is so special. I was teasing her, guys, that you can't have Super Womania award without the OG Womania.
Bilkul.
You don't remember that song?
Oh, Womania.
Oh,
Look at you.
oh, okay, I can't sing. Sorry, Ram.
That was kind of sweet actually.
You are so graceful and so amazing. Huma is a girl's girl. You were the
I'm
OG
getting shy now.
Womania and the recipient of the first ever Super
How cool
is
is that?
Award.
That is true. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Amazing,
Thank you. Thank you.
amazing.
Thank you. That's very sweet. I mean, I don't know what to say now. Suddenly, I'm like, for the first time, I'm a bit like.
You know, she's such a cutie.
Total.
She's such a cutie because, pehle she was like, ha, and I'm like, whom's you're a cutie, She's actually has a very young sister energy.
Thanks. I like it.
Second
हमारा
edition is round the corner, 10 November. आपको invite किया है.
Yes.
But a message for everyone for the Super Womania Award.
I just think it's a great initiative. Stuti, you guys are doing an amazing job. Super Womania Awards, I think they commemorate some of the most amazing female leaders, achievers who are doing such fantastic work in different fields, and I'm definitely going to be there. See, now you have my endorsement. Now it's on camera now. I can't go back on it. And yeah, I'm just there just to champion other girls because I think it's so important women supporting other women and achievers and fixing each other's crown.
Beautiful. Thank you. You are both are amazing. And these are the sort of shows that we want to see where women are carrying,
Yeah.
doing the heavy
Yeah.
lifting,
Yeah.
as they say. And you guys don't just talk. It's lived experience. So everything that you say feels true. And honestly, I enjoy my conversations with you every time I
Likewise.
meet.
Thank you so much. You're amazing too. Thank you.
Likewise.
Thank you. And look
Thank
at her
you so
bracelets.
much.
Just look at that. Like how pretty is that?
Oh, Womania.
Oh, Womani. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.